G'day, Brad here to walk you through the brand new Bissell PowerClean. This is the latest generation of our entry-level models, so you're getting a fantastically powerful carpet cleaner at a really friendly price point. So if you have those carpets to clean, if you have those rugs that are looking a little sad, this is going to bring new life back to them. It's a really simple machine to use, and I've got to say they have improved a lot of things over the previous generation of entry-level models. It's easier to clean and it's actually twice as powerful. They tell me. It's amazing. So let's get into a quick demonstration of it. I just have some red wine here, which I'm going to tip onto the carpet. It goes against every fibre of my being to do that, but this is what I do to show you how great these machines are. So you've got your two tanks, so your clean water is at the top, and you have the guidelines on the back of the tank to show you exactly how much warm water and formula to put in. It's really simple, you can't stuff it up. And in the box of this machine, you are going to get 236 mils of your formula, which I have here beside me. So this is the formula that you're going to get. It is the Wash and Protect, and it is designed for pet messes. So that just means kind of top of the line in the Bissell land. Pet messes are generally the worst. So this can tackle everything from wine through to those pet messes and those pet stains that might be troubling you. Alright, so you have a pedal at the back that's going to recline the machine down. If he actually puts his foot on it, there we go. And there's an on and off button at the back as well. So I'm just going to press that and turn the machine on. Here we go. You can tell it's so new, I can't even work it. Alright, here we go. I'm pressing a trigger in the handle. That's releasing that warm water and the shampoo over that brush roll. And that brush roll is going to be spinning at thousands of revolutions to gently scrub and massage your carpet, and that suction is extracting, so we're pulling out the stain along with the odors, the in-ground dirt, everything else. So this isn't like your vacuum cleaner, we're actually washing the carpet now, just like when you hire those professional machines or when you hire a professional service to come and clean your carpets properly. So there you go. Really simple to operate, really lightweight. It's actually under 6 kilos, around 5.6, and you get a 6-meter cable as well. Now, all of the dirt goes into a separate tank, so that means you're never putting dirt back on your floor. You're always cleaning with that warm water, the fresh water, and that solution. Now, as I said, it's easy to clean. You have two latches. You have one on either side, so there's that one. You're going to release the other one, and then there's a really nice carry handle here. You're going to lift this tank and you're going to take this over to your sink. So that's what we just pulled out in those couple of passes. So that's the red wine, along with a lot of the dirt and the grease and the grime and the allergens that live in carpet. Now there's a little stopper here. You're going to lift that and obviously tip that out down the sink or outside. The formulas are biodegradable, by the way. You can actually access inside the canister as well. There's a chamber, so you unscrew that, you can pull that out and get full access to the container. So again, really easy to clean. Now, one step further that they've improved here in comparison to the previous models is that you couldn't actually clean the nozzle. So if you did have pets or people with longer hair in the home, sometimes you would find that hair would get caught up in here and you couldn't really easily clean it. But now you're just going to pull this straight up and you have access to the nozzle. So you can give this a rinse and a wipe, and you can wipe that down too. And being a really lightweight machine, if you do need to access the brushes, all you need to do is just lean the machine back and you can give the brushes a wipe as well. So you're going to do up your latches again and you're ready to go. As I said, I'll show you on the back. There's your on and off button here. And here is your pedal to recline the handle so you can operate the machine. The only time you're using any of the fresh water or solution is when you press this trigger. So there's a trigger here in the handle. You're just going to press that as you move forward. Let go of the trigger and come back and do an extraction pass. So I'll show you that just once more really quickly. Recline the machine, you turn it on, and you're going to go forward pressing the trigger and move nice and slow. This isn't like a vacuum cleaner. You want to go slower for the solution and all of the dirt to be extracted from your carpets. Now your carpet or your rugs should be dry in about 3 hours. That's across the board. If you have a nice day, it should be around 3 hours. If the weather's kind of poor, maybe expect that to extend out to about 5. But it's certainly not like a whole day situation like it could be with a rental or with a professional service. So you get some of the formula in the box. It will come with a 2-year warranty, and the recommended retail price on the PowerClean is $399. You can find it at most major electrical retailers and at bissellshop.com.au. While you're at it, you might want to think about picking up on some of the Oxyboost. So this is great for existing stains. So if you have that red wine stain that's been there for years, or the pet stains, pick up on a bottle of the Oxy and that should knock it out. You'll use 1 part normal formula to 2 parts Oxy for that. So check it out. That's the brand new PowerClean by Bissell. Go to bissellshop.com.au or see it in action at your nearest electrical retailer.